Heart attack is considered #1 killer all over the world. On this particular day, Catherine was arriving late to an important work meeting when this happened.
She's cold. She's cold. You look very pale. Are you okay?
No. Oh my God. I feel like vomiting.
Well, can we do that?
I think I'm calling 112.
Oh, please, ask for help. Ask for help, please.
All right.
Can't breathe.
Oh my God. Oops. 112.
112.
Don't wait.
All right. Oh my God.
These are the signs of a heart attack. Chest pain or chest discomfort, which spreads to different areas of the upper body, such as arms, jaw, neck, or stomach. Shortness of breath, with or without chest discomfort. Other signs include dizziness, cold sweat, or nausea. If you experience any of these signs, don't wait. Call 112. You can save your own life.